Shein parcel has arrived. So my parcel has arrived, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna beat my face. You can't try on clothes without your face beat. Like, it just doesn't make sense. Do you know what I mean? See, because come on, what's the point in doing it when your face ain't beat? Because I'm gonna go out with my face beat. I need to see how it's gonna look. So then we can actually get into what is in this bag. So I've just beat my face. I've never ordered from Shein before, so I have no idea how these clothes are gonna look. Like, it comes with their own little packaging. Like, this is so cute. Your clothes will never get wet, you know, through delivery. Like, you know, Hermes and stuff, yeah, when they deliver your parcels, like, it could get ruined or wet. But these are actually really cute. They're actually stopping it from, like, getting damaged. They come in different sizes. So for the big ones, you've got the big one. Small one for the smaller items. Like, different sizes, boy. Like, what? See if I want to order from Shein again. I've never ordered from Shein before. We need to check the quality, whether the sizes are okay. I'm a size 12. I think I ordered like medium, so let's just get into the video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Ordered random stuff because obviously, like, it's summer, okay? We need to just be adventurous. We need to just try things we wouldn't ever try before. The first thing I ordered is this green off the shoulder top. We're gonna see if Shein did me dirty or not. Okay. Okay, nah, okay, right. This, you know, I don't like my belly out too much, yeah, but I got this in a size medium. Stretch though. I do like how these are really long. This is cute. I feel like this is like summery. This is actually summery. Whether it's going to fit me or not, we don't know. But wearing these with some like cute little shorts or a little skirt, like, do you know what I mean? Like, this will actually look good. So let's try this on and see how this is going to look. So I paired this top with some of these shorts that I found in my wardrobe. And this Bali bag. Just because it gives me like some summer vibes. It's actually really cute on. I actually really like it. The top half is quite short, but you know, if you've got bigger breasts, maybe go a size up.
Damn, it's a rich thing.
So the next thing I bought is this cute little rib top. And do you know what? Like, I've actually heard this quite a lot. Like, their clothes are really stretchy. Like bitch. Damn, like, boy. Like, these are really stretchy, and it comes with like a little zip so that you can just zip it all the way down, showing your breast. But obviously we're not gonna do that because obviously, you know, we don't want to show too much of that off. Let's just try this on and just see what it looks like as well. So this black top I paired with these little shorts, this little cute little black bag, because black on black, baby girl, like, that makes us look slim. So I put it to like halfway, because otherwise it would just show too much and we don't want that. Shein and their stretch. I actually really like it. Say you just wanted to go somewhere cute, like maybe the park, and you know, maybe it's like the sun is going down and you just want to go for a little stroll, like. Do you know what I mean? Like, this is cute. So the next items, this is a top and short set. I got it in white. You know what, but most of the things I bought from Shein are like items that like I wouldn't really choose. But I just thought, you know what, it's summer, we need to just try different things. I really, now that I'm seeing clothes, yeah, I just want to go on holiday. Like, get me to like, I want to go back to Bali, or get me to somewhere like Spain, LA, somewhere really cute. I actually like this. Like, I'm actually looking in the mirror now and I'm like, oh, this is cute. You know what, I didn't think I was gonna like anything that I bought. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy random stuff and I'm probably not gonna like it, and it's gonna be like such a shit haul. Like, I'm gonna have to return everything. This is summer vibe. This is when you're on a holiday. Like, when you're literally on holiday, this is the top that you need. Like, this is actually so cute. At the beach, you know, when you're having dinner at the beach. This top is just bringing good vibes. So these are the shorts. When we actually try it on, we can actually see if it's see-through. Quality of these clothes have actually been really good on then, and let's just see how this one will look. I actually, you know what, this one is gonna look good. Okay, so this is the top on its own. You have to like pull your bra down though when you wear it, because otherwise your bra will show. I love it. Yes, and it actually goes well with these shorts. Like this, like I even told you already, This is you wear on the beach. This is cute. Let's just try on them shorts. So these are the shorts and the top together. And it's cute. It does give me that beachy vibe, like I told you, like I knew it would. But yeah, so this will go well with this bag. Just some like sandals. These sandals, I would try them on, but boy. Okay, so what is in here? So this is because obviously tie-dye is in fashion at the minute, so I ordered this. This is just a nice simple plain tie-dye top. Top is actually really cute and it's just like a little simple, like just throw it on top, wear it with some shorts or something. We're gonna try that one on. I had this pink top with some denim shorts and this little belt, which I thought was cute. Maybe you should wear like a black bra with this. But it is cute. This might look cute. This is a fit. This is cute. Okay, so because tie-dye is in, I bought some more tie-dye. I think I've actually got quite a lot of tie-dye now, you know? Maybe I need to stop buying so much tie-dye. This is a tee and short set. It's cycling shorts. Like, listen, I'm literally wearing cycling shorts now. All I do is wear cycling shorts. In this summer, this heat, like, that is my go-to. Cycling shorts, quick, just put it on. Okay. Okay, so these are the shorts. You know what? I'm not really a big fan. Elastic. I mean, maybe it'll look better on, but I don't really like it. Like, I hate how it's like scrunched up. Actually, really good material. I do feel like it might be a bit see-through. I do like it though. It looks cute. I like how it's black and white, grey black colour. But no, these are cute. So I actually really do rate the shorts. And this is the top that it comes with as well. I got this in a size medium, and this is the top. When I wear t-shirts, I use that to scrunch it up in the middle and like tie it, just to give it like a little cute tight fit. So we're gonna try this on. And okay, so this is how it looks. This is not something that I would usually wear. Like, I don't really wear stuff like this, and like I said, I'm gonna have to tie it up. This is in a size medium, but like this size, this is actually quite big. Like, I could have even got a small and it still would have been big. I don't really like how there's a line here going all the way up. I like the colours, but I feel like I wouldn't really wear it because of this line. It's okay. It's still something different from what I'd usually go for. I think I'd rate this a good maybe 5, 4 for me. It's alright, I don't know. The bum look big. You know what it is? I think this top is a bit too big, especially these sleeves. If you fold it up, let me look in the mirror. So the next thing I brought was a denim jacket, a cropped one. You know what? I've got a denim jacket that's cropped, but I think it's an army colour, and I've got one that's black, and I just don't have one that's just normal like blue denim. It's in a large. It's actually really cute. I do love the details on it. The detail here. I love how it's ripped as well. Like, maybe I can even make it more ripped, but this is actually cute. So hopefully we're gonna try that on with probably most of the clothes down here anyway. Like, you know when it's like maybe a little bit breezy and like you wanna just like, you wanna wear like a cute outfit, but you know, you might need to cover up a bit to throw on over anything. Literally, this will go with anything. But let's try this on.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I really do like this. So this is a romper. So it's a play suit. And I love this colour. I don't think I own anything that's purple. I actually don't own anything that's purple. So this is actually cute. I've actually forgot how this looks. The back is so detailed. But this colour will suit me so well. It's actually like really soft material. Like it's really like, it's like very, very velvety soft. Like it's so soft. This is actually really nice. It's very stretchy, like Shein boy, like Shein. All your items are stretchy, man. Like, but the back, oh my goodness. That big crop out. Oh my goodness, I actually didn't know. For Shein being so cheap, yeah, this material is actually so nice. But this looks cute. We're gonna have to style this with probably some like trainers and then like maybe a bag and like. Okay, so this is the purple romper play suit. The back like is very exposed. You can move around in this really good, like it's really comfortable. I'll wear this on its own. I'll definitely pair it with like the denim jacket and then probably some trainers. I'm gonna try it on with the denim jacket to see how I would wear it. Okay, so this is it with the denim jacket, and I actually prefer it like this. It just looks so like casual but like simple, like it just looks cute and casual at the same time. So I'd probably pair this with some trainers and probably like a bag with a strap. Something that I wouldn't usually buy. I don't think I'd ever really wear it. So I thought, summer, let's just try something new. So I brought a top and skirt set. Like, I don't know, this gives me like granny-ish vibes. But then again, it's like summer, like, you know what it reminds me of? Like if y'all went to like Santorini or something, like just blue. Like everything in Santorini is either blue or white. Like, so I feel like this reminds me of like Santorini. Like I would wear it if I went to Santorini. But it's kind of cute still. With these little cute little sleeves. The back is really stretchy on this, but the front, not really that stretchy, but it's alright. Sure about this. I'm not sure. Size medium, and it comes with this skirt. It looks awful like this, but obviously you must have to style it a certain way because it comes with like this little belt. I have no idea how this is gonna look. I think this is gonna be the one that I do return. So let's try this on. Okay, so this is the blue top and the blue skirt, but it is cute. I do like it. So that's why I even said like it gives me the Santorini vibes because it's like holiday. I would only wear this on holiday. This is actually really cute. I really like it. I love these little frills and I love how it ties up here. I like these, but they are quite tight. This is really cute. So I'll probably pair this with these shoes. Then I'd probably pair it with this Bali bag because obviously it gives the holiday vibes and it's just really cute. So I hope you guys liked this try on haul. I'm gonna order from Shein again because they actually did a madness. Like their clothes are actually so nice, such good quality. So I'm wearing this outfit today. So I'm gonna wear the denim jacket and this little, you know, this little romper, and I'm gonna be going out, which I'm gonna pair with some trainers and probably pair it with a bag with a strap. So I hope you guys like this haul, and there's definitely gonna be more coming your way. Probably Shein again. Obviously there's gonna be like a PLT and different hauls as well because I actually enjoy doing this. I'm going to be placing all the items in the description box so you guys can look at them there as well. Tell me in the comments below which one was your favourite, whether you thought it suited me or not, because some of them they suit me but some of them probably suit other girls better, but still look cute on me. I hope you guys like this video and make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe.